Modern contemporary style river home with magnificent views of the Delaware River on over 1/2 acre. Home offers decks, terraces, patios and gazebos, all with river views. Open concept with large sliding doors across the entire river view. Living room, dining room and kitchen with cathedral ceilings. Modern kitchen, first floor master bedroom with adjourning office, 2 large walk-in closets, private balcony overlooking the river. Second floor offers 2 large guest bedrooms with double-deck closets and small loft atop the cathedral ceiling. Second floor also includes private office and additional sitting area. Home has 3 full baths. The garages situated under the home are ample for at least 5 cars. Outside areas include main deck 16 by 25 with 9-foot octagon, 6 by 25 side deck, 8 by 10 off master bedroom, 10 by 6 off second floor bedroom, plus an 8 by 12 screen gazebo. 9 by 13 deck sits closer to the river.